Morning student, my name is Anand Bishil. Today in this video lecture we have focused on to the drawing an object and grouping outline the fill. This is the part of your chapter log on to Animate CC. Student, we are working on the drawing portion through the Animate software. How we draw the figure. Here you can find out in the figure 4.10 there are the two kinds of figure, that is the trunk and another one is the poultry portion. Both are designed by the future here. After that it can provide the different kinds of color, and then after we can use the gradient fill option. What is the gradient? Gradient is the multicolor fill in which one color gradually changes into another color. That means you can mixture of color create through the gradient option. And how we use it, the gradient fill we can see in the practical manner. And then after there are the two kinds of the gradient. One is the linear gradient and another one is the radial gradient. Linear gradient change the color from starting point to end point in the straight line. That means left to right or right to left. Whereas the radial gradient change the color in the circular outward direction, that is starting from their focal point. Okay, you can find out in the next page there are the two kinds of figure. One show the linear gradient and another show the radial gradient. But how we can use the both kind of gradient in the practical manner, we can see in this video lecture. So we start the Animate software. This is the interface, that is the workspace, and this is the stage where we create the drawing. Here how we can create the drawing, it can be 50%, we can also increase it, that is the 100%. Now we select the pencil tool. This one is the pencil tool and we try to draw a design. Okay, at first we draw the trunk. That here. Okay. Then after we draw the whole tree. Okay. The drawing is finished. Now we put the color. How we color use, there is the side. It can be used as a color, but it can be activated when you select the paint bucket tool. When you click on it, it shows the color. Okay. You at first select the, for the trunk, this is the brown color. You select it and put that here. Now we select the different green color and put that here. Okay. This is the fill color we can use here. Now we can apply the gradient. How we can apply the gradient here? So you have click on this option, that is the color option. Okay, and you can find out solid color is displayed. Here you have the drop down arrow key, click on that and select the linear gradient. In linear gradient you first select the, for the trunk we can use, the first one color is the brown. Double click on that, select the brown, it is already brown here. Okay, and the second one we can click add and select the orange color. No, this one is the combinations of both. Right now there is no the okay. Now again add to swatch, click on that and click here and put inside it. You can find out the color, multiple color will be filled inside the trunk. The same manner we can change and apply again the linear gradient. first we click on that. Click on left arrow marker, select the green color and click on right arrow marker, select the black color. Right now, and add to the swatch. Again click on the drum. Okay, take it and fill it. You can find out it can also the linear gradient part. Now in the same manner you can use the radial gradient. You can just click on here and select the radial. In the radial gradient it can be show the focal length of this one. You can find out it can be already displayed here. Select the radial. Okay, now take it and put it. It can be displayed in this manner. Okay, now we can set the color, transforming the different kinds of color by using gradient transformation. Select it and click on that. You can find out this time there is a radial gradient. So radial gradient can be displayed in the different manner. You can find out this can be changed in the different manner. All are seen in the black color. Again we provide it. It can be displayed in this manner. If I select and change it in the transformation of the radial in the linear gradient, this selection will be already left to right. You can move from left to right. You can find out. Okay, if you move towards both, it can be half part in the greenish color, another half part in the black color. If you move again the forward, it can gradually move left and right direction, then the half part in the green color and half part in the black color. There is also rotation here. You can set the focal length. Okay, you can find out it can be change the color. When I rotate the left hand side of the tree can be black color and right hand side show in the green color. Either you can set the different kinds of rotation as per your choice. Look at it. It can be performed like that. You can either decrease it. Okay, and then you can also perform the rotation here. Look at it. It can be according to rotation, the color and the combination of radial gradient will be changed, the color. So that's all for today. Try to do it in the practical manner at home. Thank you and have a good day.